pain uburibwe, painkiller umuti ugabanya uburibwe, pills ibinini, medicine umuti, vaccine urukingo, ndetse n'andi mavokabulere menshi dushobora kwifashisha mu gihe turi kwa muganga. Niba ushaka kwiga ururimi rw'igifaransa cyangwa icyongereza, tubafitiye poromosiyo, turi kubakurikirana ku buntu. Urimo indani mu gihugu cyangwa se imahanga, ntugire ikibazo, twandikire kuri WhatsApp namba iri muri ekara yawe, ahasigaye tugukurikirane vuba bidatinze, utangire kuvuga indimi z'amahanga. Nido urushinge, vaccine urukingo, pain uburibwe, painkiller umuti ugabanya uburibwe cyangwa se ububabare, ashobora kuba ibinini cyangwa se ubundi bwoko bw'umuti. Antibiotics umuti wica udukoko. Dose ingano y'umuti wo gufata. Prescriptions amabwiriza uhabwa na muganga ukurikiza ufata imiti yawe. Symptoms ibimenyetso. Ikimenyetso. Fever umuriro, ntabwo ari fever, dusoma fever. Pill ikinini. Pills ibinini. Tablet ikinini. Tablets ibinini. Iyi pill cyangwa se tablet amagambo asobanura ibinini. To inject gukingira. Inkorora. Headache kuribwa umutwe. Surgery kubagwa. Scan guca mu cyuma. Test ikizamini. Treatment kwitabwaho k'umurwayi. Doctor's office ibiro bya muganga. Nurse umuforomokazi. Patient umurwayi. Patients abagwayi. Pharmacy ahantu bafatira imiti. Pharmacist umuntu ukora muri farumasi. Injury igikomere. To injure gukomeretsa. Injured person umuntu wakomeretse. Wheelchair burankari cyangwa se igare ry'umurwayi. Check up igikorwa cyo kugaruka guhura na muganga, igikorwa cyo kujya kwisuzumisha buri gihe runaka ngo barebe uko ubuzima bwawe buhagaze. Medicine umuti. Symptoms cyangwa se signs of illness ibimenyetso by'uburwayi. Illness ni uburwayi, signs cyangwa se symptoms ni ibimenyetso. Flow up gusubira kwa muganga kenshi nyuma yo guhabwa ubuvuzi kugira bakomeze barebe ko ubuzima bwawe buhagaze cyangwa se uburwayi bwawe butagarutse. Emergency room, emergency room, icyumba cy'indembe. Intensive care, intensive care, kwita ku murwayi w'indembe cyane, ni ukwitabwaho cyane, cyane cyane abantu bitabwaho kenshi ni indembe. Iyi intensive care ni ubuvuzi buhabwa umurwayi w'indembe cyane. Medication, medication, imiti ikoreshwa bavura uburwayi. Blood test, blood test, ikizamini cy'amaraso. Symptomatic treatment, symptomatic treatment, kuvura ibimenyetso kuruta uko bavura indwara. Hari ukuntu bavura indwara bibanze cyane ku bimenyetso, nibyo bita symptomatic treatment. Asthma, asthma no mu kinyarwanda. Hypertension, hypertension, umuvuduko w'amaraso. Blood pressure test, gupima umuvuduko w'amaraso. Blood sugar levels test, blood sugar levels test, gupima isukari yo mu maraso uko ingana. Surgery department, surgery department, icyumba babagiramo. Monitoring equipment, monitoring equipment, imashini ipima uko amaraso atera, imashini ipima uko amaraso atera cyangwa se umuvuduko w'amaraso. Pain management, pain management, kwita ku buribwe ngo bugabanyuke. Wound, wound, igikomere. Scar, scar, inkovu. Casualty, casualty, umuntu wakomerekeye mu mpanuka cyangwa se ku rugamba. Casualties, ba casualty no mu kinyarwanda icyo kinyarwanda. Casualties, ba casualty no mu kinyarwanda birakoreshwa n'umuntu wakomerekeye mu mpanuka cyangwa se ku rugamba. Wound care, wound care, kwita ku gikomere cyangwa se kuvura igikomere. Nutrition support, guha umurwayi indyo yuzuye. Nutrition support, guha umurwayi indyo yuzuye. Follow up, follow up appointment, gahunda yo kujya ugaruka guhura na muganga nyuma yo guhabwa ubuvuzi kugira bakomeze barebe uko ubuzima bwawe buhagaze, niyo bita follow up appointment. Fatigue, fatigue, umunaniro. Shortness breath, shortness breath, guhumeka bigoranye. Where is the doctor? Where is the doctor? Where is the doctor? Muganga ari he? The doctor is in their office. The doctor is in their office. Muganga ari mu biro bye. Pay attention. Hano wakibaza ngo nuko iki tudakoreshejemo his office cyangwa se her office. Twakoreshejemo their kubera yuko ntabwo twavuze niba umuganga ari umugore cyangwa se umugabo. Igihe cyose tutavuze uwo muganga ari we cyangwa se umuntu runaka igitsina cye niba ari umugore cyangwa umugabo, dukoreshamo their. Icyo cyumvikanye. What time is my appointment? What time is my appointment? Rendezvous yanjye iri sangahe? Your appointment is at 8 a.m. Your appointment is at 8 a.m. Randevu yawe iri saa mbiri z'igitondo. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Urumva umeze ute? I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. Ndumva ngwaye. What is wrong? Cyangwa se what's wrong? Ni ikihe kibazo? I have a headache. I have a headache. Ndumva umutwe undya. Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Uri kuribwa he? Cyangwa se uri kubabara he? My head hurts. My head hurts. Ndumva umutwe undya. Do you have medicine for pain? Do you have medicine for pain? Ufite umuti uvura ububabare cyangwa se uburibwe? Yes, we have medicine. Do you have medicine for pain? Mufite umuti uvura ububabare cyangwa se uburibwe? Do you have medicine for pain? Mufite umuti uvura ububabare cyangwa se uburibwe? Yes, we have pain medicine. Yego, dufite umuti uvura uburibwe. Yes, we have pain medicine. Yego, dufite umuti uvura uburibwe. Can I see a nurse? Can I see a nurse? Nshobora kubona umuforomokazi? Yes, I will call a nurse for you. Yes, I will call a nurse for you. Yego, ndamuguhamagarira. How long will I be here? How long will I be here? Ndamara hano igihe kingana iki? You will be here for a few hours. You will be here for a few hours. Uramara hano amasaha make. Can I eat now? Can I eat now? Ubu nshobora kurya? Yes, you can eat after the doctor says it's okay. Yes, you can eat after the doctor say it's okay. Yego, ushobora kurya nyuma yo kwemererwa na muganga. Do I need surgery? Do I need surgery? Nkeneye kubagwa? The doctor will decide if you need surgery. The doctor will decide if you need surgery. Umuganga niwe uri bufate umwanzuro niba ukeneye kubagwa. Can I have water? Can I have water? Nshobora kubona amazi? Yes, you can have water. Yes, you can have water. Yego, urayemerewe cyangwa se ushobora kubona amazi. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Ubwiherero buri he? The bathroom is down. The bathroom is down. Ubwiherero buri hasi. Can I call my family? Can I call my family? Nshobora guhamagara umuryango wanjye? Yes, you can use the phone. Yes, you can use the phone. Yego, ushobora gukoresha telefone. What is my sickness? What is my sickness? Ubugwayi mfite ni ubuhe? The doctor will tell you your sickness. The doctor will tell you your sickness. Muganga arakubwira ubugwayi bwawe. Can I go home now? Can I go home now? Ubu nshobora kujya mu rugo? Cyangwa se ubu nshobora gutaha? You can go home after the doctor says it's okay. Yego. Nuramuka wemerewe na muganga urataha. Do I need to take medicine? Do I need to take medicine? Nkeneye gufata imiti? Yes, you need to take the medicine prescribed by the doctor. Yes, you need to take the medicine prescribed by the doctor. Yego, ukeneye gufata imiti wandikiwe na muganga. How often should I take medicine? How often should I take the medicine? How often should I take the medicine? Nshobora kuyifata inshuro zingahe ku munsi? Take the medicine 3 times a day. Take medicine 3 times a day. Uyifate inshuro 3 ku munsi. Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? Nshobora kubona ikiringiti cyangwa se icyo kwiyorosa. Yes, I can get you a blanket. Yes, I can get you a blanket. Yego, ndakikubonera. Is the doctor available now? Is the doctor available now? Umuganga arahari nonaha? The doctor will see you soon. The doctor will see you soon. Muganga arakureba vuba. Can I have a wheelchair? Can I have a wheelchair? Nshobora kubona burankari cyangwa se igare ry'abarwayi. Yes, I can get you a wheelchair. Yes, I can get you a wheelchair. Yego, nayikubonera. Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy? Farumasi iherereye he cyangwa se iri he? The pharmacy is on the first floor. The pharmacy is on the first floor. Farumasi iri kuri etaje ya mbere. How much will treatment cost? How much will the treatment cost? How much will the treatment cost? Kuvugwa biratwara amafaranga angahe? The cost will depend on your insurance. The cost will depend on your insurance. Igiciro kiraterwa n'ubwishingizi bwawe. Can I ask some questions? Can I ask some questions? Nshobora kubaza ibibazo? Yes, you can ask the doctor questions. Yes, you can ask the doctor questions. Yego, ushobora kubaza muganga ibibazo. Do I need to come back? Do I need to come back? Nkeneye kugaruka? Yes, you need to come back for a follow-up. Yes, you need to come back for a follow-up appointment. Yes, you need to come back for a follow-up appointment. Yego, uzagaruka ku yindi gahunda kugira ngo wongere usuzumwe uko umerewe cyangwa se uko umeze. When should I come back? When should I come back? Nzagaruka ryari? When should I come back? Nzagaruka ryari? You should come back in 3 days. You should come back in 3 days. Ushobora kugaruka mu minsi 3. Can I bring someone with me? Can I bring someone with me? Nshobora kuzana n'undi muntu? Yes, you can bring a family member or friend. Yes, you can bring a family member or friend. Yego, ushobora kuzana umunyamuryango cyangwa inshuti. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Byose bimeze neza cyangwa se buri kimwe kimeze neza. The doctor will let you know after the examination. The doctor will let you know after the examination. Muganga arakumenyesha nyuma y'isuzumwa cyangwa se nyuma y'isuzuma. Can I rest now? Can I rest now? Ubu nshobora kuruhuka? Yes, you can rest now. Yego, ubu ushobora kuruhuka. Do I need tests? Do I need tests? Nkeneye ibizamini cyangwa se gusuzumwa? Yes, the doctor will order you some tests. Yes, the doctor will order you some tests. Yego, umuganga Yego, muganga arabitegeka. Yego, muganga arabitegeka. Will I be okay? Will I be okay? Nzamera neza. The doctor will do their best to help you. The doctor will do their best to help you feel better. Umuganga arakora uko ashoboye ngo wumve umeze neza. The doctor will do their best to help you feel better. Umuganga arakora uko ashoboye ngo wumve umeze neza. The doctor will do their best to help you feel better. Umuganga arakora uko ashoboye ngo wumve umeze neza.